Hey everyone, I'm Rob from Free Range Camping. Got another great new product for you today. This one's called the Roo Paw, and it's designed to help to tie your awnings down, especially in windy conditions. As you know, the wind picks up, your awning can start flapping around. So everyone uses different techniques to tie these things down. But what I like about these is, they're especially made for your Dometic awnings, your Aussie traveller awnings. They're designed to fit straight into the slot and act as a tie down, so you can pick your different angles on that.
Okay, so as you can see here, to fit them, the first thing you do is insert the small tang on the end of the Roo paw into the slot on your awning track. Then you just leave the paw hanging over the drum on the awning, and you can then attach your ropes or straps with the carbine clip. Now, these have a safety screw lock on them, and that means they won't come undone in strong winds or movement. Then you can just fix your guy ropes with whatever method you use. Now you tighten the straps, but there's no need to over tighten them. The benefit of these Roo paws is that they have the correct shape and the profile on the hooks, so it allows them to have the correct load points and the angle that will hold the awning down without damaging it.